Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by x. So we have y and first the derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about the mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about 2 over s next to y. This is for integrating factor. This one we have 2 ln s. Later that we put number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by s squared. This one we have 2s. This one we have sin s. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have s squared y. This one we have negative cosine s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.